Hi everyone, today we have a dryer machine, Kenmore, which has a problem. It's not heating. This is the mark. Kenmore. And this is the model. So, I will show you how to resolve this problem now. So this is the back of the machine. We're gonna take out these, all of these. Firstly, we must take the cable of the power supply. We must clean all of that, you see. Now after cleaning all of that, see how much? Let's clean now. We will test the heat elements and thermostat. Okay. Firstly, we remove these wires. And remove the thermostat. And we will check with our matrix on the buzzer mode. No beep. No beep. And we will check now the thermostat. So now let's check the thermostat. Let's give the beep. It's a good one. Now after removing the heating element, we found that it's broken here. As you see. And this is the issue. This is why the heating elements are not working. We should change these elements and the machine will work. Now as you can see, we will test the heat element only. Not working, no continuity. So the problem after verification is due to a cut here, as you can see. We will test by one by one. Working, not working. So as a temporary solution, we will adjust these two ones like that and put one on one. You can see now there is a continuity. Let's check it. Now it's working. Working. That's good. So let's put it on the machine and test it again if it's working or not. See you later. Now after install the machine and connect all equipment, let's test it. It's working. Let's check if the 18 elements is working now, and the dry machine is 18. Open the door. Oh nice, now it's 18. It's very hot. It's very hot air. And this is the way how to repair the unit elements temporarily, and if you want you can order a new one from Amazon. Let's see you in another video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe and like the videos. Thank you.